Without a doubt, whenever I land in Adelaide, the first stop has to be Cheeky Chooks. Adam Swanson knows how to cook chicken and chips. I love your takeaway store. It's so
You're
good.
too kind, Jazz. Thank you so much. Yeah, look, we do different varieties of chickens. Today I'm going to be showing you our Portuguese split bird. We cook this on charcoal at the shop, but today we'll do it on the flat pan, on the griddle pan here.
Great.
So we need to get our marinade happening.
Right.
Garlic sliced.
See, the thing is, if you're going to show us what's in this, it's going to be hard to come back to the shop. Nah.
What do you mean? You have to come visit. So paprika, really simple, dried oregano.
I won't need to come back because I have the recipe now, you see.
Oh, I'm not giving you the full recipe, Jazz. I can't do that. Cayenne pepper, some brown sugar.
Right.
Okay.
Sugar.
Juice of 1 lemon. I'll get you to slice that one for me.
Sure, can do.
And salt. Good pinch of salt.
Okay, and the juice of the whole lemon?
Yeah, the whole lemon. Nice. And what I'm using is a size number 8 chicken, okay?
Right.
So 8 means 800 gram bird.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's all about the cooking time, yeah? So for us, 800 gram bird does the trick. Olive oil is a need.
So not too big. Okay.
No.
And you have split the chicken. Explain to us how you've done that.
Okay, so basically what we do is grab the bird, we put obviously the breast side up.
Yes.
With the back down, come through with a knife, split it open, and then remove the backbone, I guess, through there.
Yeah.
And what that does, it's just all about the cooking time. It helps with it.
I also like it because you get lots more charcoal over the whole surface of the bits that you're cooking.
And now, with this bird in particular, don't be scared if you get the bit of charness to it. I mean, blacken it, yeah? What happens is all that sugar on the bird with the paprika and all the other stuff works well. It's flavour.
So good.
Can you give me a splash more olive oil, Jazz?
Sure can.
So just mixing that all together. Now, typically we would do this in the kitchen at least 24 hours, this marinade. Let it sit and actually penetrate into the flavour and the skin of the bird. So,
In with the chicken?
Yeah. Another pinch of salt, if you don't mind.
Absolutely. And seasoning is key too. Yes, we've got all the spices there, but salt really brings out everything else.
Definitely. So you really got to get in there and get messy, right?
I think it's a great technique to know how to butterfly a chicken because it just makes cooking so much easier and faster.
Yeah, but also, you know what? The old saying, my nonna used to say this one, and I'll never forget it. Any protein cooked on the bone tastes better.
You've said it.
Yeah,
Yep,
like it
I
really
agree.
does. You know, I don't get when people, get a chicken breast and just cook it off in the pan. I don't get it. There's no flavour.
It's nice. I put it in chicken sandwiches or poach it and just put it in a soup. But yeah.
Flavour on the bone. Come on.
I agree.
So just massage it. Imagine that's sat now for at least 24 hours. We're going skin side down first.
Okay.
Pressing that out. Oh.
Ooh. And we're cooking this on a grill, but of course, even better on a barbecue outdoors.
Yeah, sit outside, let the neighbours know you're cooking some beautiful Portuguese bird.
Exactly. That paprika, you can feel.
Cayenne pepper, he's got me, don't worry, we'll clear you out. All right, Joss, let's have a little look. Oh.
Nice colour.
Yeah, definitely. Look, look at that. Okay, Jazz, we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes on each side, but turning it every now and then so it doesn't burn.
Yep.
When it gets to our 40-minute stage when the chicken's cooked, we're gonna rest, and then we're gonna cook my chips in 180-degree oil for 4 to 5 minutes.
Oh, your famous chippies. They're so good. Well, there it is.
Portuguese bird.
Portuguese bird.
Jazz, can you pass me my cheeky chook chip salt?
So cheeky.
Don't ask me what's in it. I'm not going to tell you, all right?
Just a few ingredients.
3, that's it. 3 ingredients.
That's it?
Keep it nice and simple.
Okay. We'll try to find out what that is.
Yeah. One day,
So
maybe.
you use that special salt on your chips and you want to put them in when they're still piping hot?
Definitely. Nice and hot. We serve this, put them into our serving dish.
Oh, look at them. They're puffed up, they're crispy.
Oh, we grab our bird.
Yep.
Ha, ha, ha. Straight in half. If you want, again, in quarters, but for me, like this is the best.
Lovely. It's going to feed a whole family that. And a little cheeky cheek of lemon.
Yeah, cheeky cheek of lemon. Perfect.
There we go. Pop that on the side. That chicken looks incredible. And these chips, well, I know I can't replicate them. I really look forward to going back to Adelaide and tasting them. For now, I'm just going to enjoy them because they're right in front of me. That crunch, so good. Thanks, Adam.
No worries.